a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a.
What up, you guys? So it's Sugar Prissy, and today I am just showing you guys how I label and pack my lashes. So first off, I start off by making sure what is what, because the vendor sends them by different numbers, and then I match up the numbers to whatever I've previously named them, or give them a new name if I'm trying out a new style. So after that is done, I get everything out the way, and then this is just a regular at home label printer, and I purchased some clear tape for it. So I just use that to print out the name for the lashes, and I guess you can also use this to put your logo on or your business name on as well, but I use this just for the lash names. So the label maker that I have is pretty simple. You just type in whatever you want to write and just hit print, and it comes with a little cutter on top. The only thing I don't like is that it does waste a lot of paper. Like, there's a pretty good gap in between like the words, so I do have to cut out a lot of excess tape that I probably throw away like half of the tape. Like, all of this that I'm cutting off right now will be thrown away. So I do cut everything out prior to starting so that I don't have to keep stopping. So right now I cut out the labels and all the excess tape. I just get rid of it. And I like to start that while it's still printing because I like to work efficiently. So after I'm done printing all of the labels, I put the label maker away and just continue to just cut off those excess pieces and get them ready to be applied to the lash tray, because I like to take the lashes I purchased off of the trays they come with and put them onto the trays that I purchased, because the ones that they come on does not fit in the boxes that I use to sell my lashes. So I do have to switch them onto different trays. And these trays I like better because it has the little tab on the bottom, which is just perfect to place the lash name. So I just take out 10 trays at a time because I purchased 10 of each style. So I take the little backing off of the labels, and then I just place them right on the bottom little rectangle piece of the lash tray. And this is what it looks like when it's stuck on. So I just line up the trays and get it going and do all of them at once. So first, I like to work in with one style at a time. So first we're working with Bay. I'm going to put all of those labels on the tray, then switch over the lashes to this tray, and then move on to the next style. And now that I'm done with all 10 of those, I'm moving on to the next style, which is I quit. So I'm going to do the same exact thing, place the label on the lash tray, then switch the lashes off of the original trays onto my trays, and then place them to the side and move on to the last style. So the last style here is my best sellers, and these are office prude. So I'm just again doing the same thing, putting the labels on the trays, then switching over the lashes and pushing them to the side. And then I do clean up in between every step because I just like to keep around me as neat as possible. So after I get all of my lashes onto the trays and label, I then open my boxes. Now, when I sat down to do this, I didn't realize I didn't have any more gold cardstock, so I am going to have to purchase more of that. But these are the spoolies that I use. So first, I like to put a spoolie down into the box, and then I insert the lash tray. So I do also put my business name outside of the lash boxes, which is Boss Bay Glam. I did not show that because I actually forgot. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm so tired. And yeah, I forgot to record that part. And also, it gives me the opportunity to show you guys what I'm about to start doing because I want to start making my labels for my lash boxes. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing how that comes along. Okay, so that is it, you guys. This is the final product, and these are what my lashes look like when they are ready to be shipped out. And if you want to check them out on my website, I'll leave the link down below. It's bossbaeglam.com. And yeah, I really appreciate any form of support, even if you just want to check out the website and just see what it looks like. But I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, and I hope you enjoy kicking it with your girl. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm tired, so peace.